What's up guys, this is Java series part 8. In this video we're gonna see about typecasting. So typecasting is when you assign a value to one data type to another type. So in Java there are two types of casting, which is widening casting and narrowing casting. Widening casting done automatically, narrowing casting done manually. So we're gonna learn about that. So before we see that, you might be studied ascending order and descending order in math, right? So in widening casting the same way, converting a smaller type to larger type size, and narrowing casting converting larger type to smaller type size. So this is a smaller data type with smaller size data type, and this is a larger size data type. So before we hop into Java typecasting, we are gonna see about all the basic data types and its sizes. Alright, so these are the data types with its sizes. So as you see in byte, it has 1 byte. So in integer it has 4 bytes, and in float it has 4 bytes, and in long it has 8 bytes, in double it has 6 bytes. So each data type has its own size. So let's see an example about widening casting. So widening casting is done automatically by sending smaller size type to larger size type. So let's see an example of widening casting. So it does automatically. So integer is smaller than double. So as I told you that double converts a number into decimal points. So let's just see an example. So I just added integer a equal to 5 and then double. Double b is equal to maybe a. So I call this variable to here. So this is a smaller data type size, this is a bigger data type size. So it automatically casts to smaller to bigger. So let's just see two system that out prints. So first I'm gonna print this one, this integer, and next I'm gonna print this double. Save the program. This is 5 and this is 5.0. So as you see, this first prints this integer a equal to 5. So it basically prints a number like the same thing. But double, it converts the number into decimal points. So this is the use of widening casting. And now let's see an example of narrowing casting. Alright, so in narrowing casting I'm going to do everything opposite. So double a is going to be, this time I'm gonna put 8. Integer b is equal to a. So double a is equal to 8, which outputs as 8.0. Integer b is equal to a. So let's just see if this program runs. We're converting a larger type size to smaller type size. There you go. So we get an error. The reason why is we need to add its data type in front of this value, like this. Integer. So if here was byte, then you have to add here byte. So the reason why we're adding is, let's just see. Double a, this is a variable which has 8 as its value, which basically outputs as 8.0. So this integer b is equal to a. We're calling this variable over here. So we need to convert this 8.0 to 8. So we can convert that. So we need to add this integer because we are converting larger type size to smaller type size. So we're gonna do this integer bracket integer. If here was byte, then you have to add byte. So if here was any data type name, you have to add the data type name here, so which converts perfectly and run the program. This is only for narrowing casting, which is big to small. Let's just see if this program runs. Save the program. Very good. Compile successfully. There you go. 8 and 8.0. So this is Java typecasting, guys. In Java typecasting, widening casting and narrowing casting are there, and we saw these two examples clearly, and hope you have understood and enjoyed. So subscribe, it's free, and whenever you can change your mind. Thank you.